Let's see how well you know your foods. Guess what this is? Some of you may have already know what this is, but maybe some people are scratching their heads wondering, what on earth is this thing? Believe it or not, it's some sort of mushroom that grows on a tree bark. Never knew that, did you? This food has been around for centuries, and it's not something the scientists just found yesterday. The Chinese have used it for medicines. It has been traditionally used by the Chinese to help skin corrections, anti-inflammatory, help control blood sugar levels, and much more. Nowadays, people make this into soup or dessert. So do you know what it is now? Stay tuned for my answer in the next video. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now. See you next time.